Gold stayed bullish for the day, as we have recommended few hours back in our Asia and Europe session update that beyond 2154 you can stay bullish and we can look forward to 2158.5 and 2162.5 levels. Precisely, it has gone closer towards 2162 before retracing a bit. Likewise, silver has traded sideways so far. It has got its resistance intact. It has failed to break beyond 2420. So what to expect today with the US session? There is also the data coming in before the US session with the labor cost and the non-farm productivity. This will bring volatility, then the US session, and then ultimately Chairman Powell's testimony to the House. So yes, these three events are going to be decisive, and how we can profit from this, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment as well. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can find lower highs are seen and higher lows are seen. Gold is consolidating. There is this greater support zone for gold which it needs to break in order to stay bearish. That is between 2150 to 2144. If and only if gold breaks this zone, we can say that there could be slight bearishness. Now, coming to hourly charts, you can find out right now 2158.5 proving out to be a good resistance. It has also become a pivot levels now. And see, this is the first breakout candle on the downside, but the body size is very minimal. Thus, any point of time, if you see gold staying above 2060, 2062.5, this is the complete zone. If you see gold staying above this, you can initiate a buying position, and then we will look forward to 2170 levels. Remember, 2170 is the next milestone if gold stays above 2160, 2162.5 level. So this is the first observation. 20 period moving average sitting at around 2150 is a very, very good support. Stochastic is rising. MACD has crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness in the coming few candles. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. Lower highs here. Certainly, there is a resistance. Also, it is trying to form a flag. Thus, if it breaks beyond 2160, we have no other choice but to buy. It's 2160, 2162.5 is the zone you should mark out. Beyond that, we will look forward to 2170. And now see, this is the zone. Again, the same levels, 2144 to 2150 is the support zone here. And then 2140 levels will come into picture. If these three levels are breached, consider that gold is bound to show a very good fall, which may in fact take it till towards 2130, 2125 levels. Stochastic has retraced a bit. MACD has just crossed over here and it is not trading with any divergence. This candle will decide, that is the coming candle, that whether it has the force to stay further bearish or not. RSI consistently staying overbought. Coming to 3 hour charts, if you look at 3 hour charts, consolidation here, you can see this lower highs, higher lows. It needs to break below this zone. Specifically, if it stays below 2150, we can stay short, but then it has to break below 2145, 44, and then 2140 levels. See, as long as 2125 is there, you have to just trail with 50 pips stop loss or half a dollar stop loss. Yes, not half a dollar, but $5 trailing stop loss, because see, every $5 there is a support. You can find out this 2150, 2144, 45, then 2140, then 35, and then 30, and then the strongest one is at 2125. So yes, as long as 2125 is respected, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Remember this fact. As long as 2125 levels are respected, do not treat gold as bearish. Also, if you look at 3 hour charts, prices are trading with slight divergence from the 20 period moving average. Now see, this is a channel where is the support 2140, because below 2140 is where the bearishness will increase. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to overbought. MACD is trading with slight divergence and it is staying bearish but not showing much bearishness as of now. So do be watchful of this. RSI is staying extremely overbought. Coming to 4 hour charts, look at 4 hour charts here. Lower highs here, higher lows here. Zone of consolidation. We have to wait for it to break out above 2160 levels. That is the level beyond which we can treat this as bullish, else it is still not a buying entry. It is consolidating, and we have seen series of greener candles. This call for it to deliver fewer red candles from here. So possibility of a break on the downside exists, but then again there are greater supports here, same levels as we have discussed in the other time frames. Also look at this. This is the bullish channel in which gold is trading. Where is the bottom? Somewhere here at around 2145. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. and it is not showing any signs of a crossover as well. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. Consistent bullish candles, increasing body size here, and yes, we have seen it delivering higher highs here and higher lows. So yes, this is still staying bullish. Only bearishness today, if you see gold is staying below 2150, you can stay short 2150-49 levels, you can sell, wait for it to break below 2144-45, the first target is 2140, the next, and below 2140 is where slight bearishness can be observed. Below 2140 we can expect it to directly lend towards 2130, intermittent support at 2135, and then 2125 is the strongest support. Any drop below this is where the bears will be seen. On the upside, a breakout beyond 2060, 2160 and 62.5 is you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably, and that is applicable to across indices, commodities, currencies, and the crypto as well. So do register for it. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. Second is those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, which is offers a swap-free account with lowest spread, with presence across the globe, and with has easy transfer options. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now, considering this for the day, I'll recommend a buy at 2160, 62.5 zone. Beyond this, it is going to look at 2170, the next milestone directly. Beyond 2170, more bullish momentum may prevail. Do not think that it is bearish as long as 2125, and beyond 2170, it will try to move towards 2184-85 levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 2149.50 can be taken. As long as 2125 is there, you have to put a $5 trailing stop loss. There are supports at every $5. Once it breaches below 2125, then only we can say that the bears are back and it is going to show a crash, else it is not yet bearish. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts has been delivering lower highs, lower lows, trying to form a nice flag, a breakout above which, that is 2420, 2430 zone. This is the zone you should watch out for. Any breakout out of this zone is a clear-cut sign that we are looking forward to 2450 and then 2475 levels. Yes, it can show a massive rise if it stays above 2120, 2130 zone. Just stay bullish for 2450, sorry, 2420, 2430 zone. Just stay bullish for 2450, 2475 levels. On the downside, if you look at formation, that see the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop again, taking the support here from 2410 and 24. Thus, as I shared in the Asia session update as well, that below 24 is the only point where you can sell. Rather, I will say 2395 is a selling point. Below that only we can see that silver is trying to trade bearish. So yes, 2395 is the position where you can sell. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic has seen a rise. MACD is bearish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts. Look at 2-hour charts. Lower highs are delivered, higher lows are seen. In fact, one can sell here once you see the higher price below 2410. You can initiate a selling position there, but then $24 levels is what it needs to breach. That is, I will say 23.95, $24 levels is going to remain a great support, only below which slight bearishness can be seen. Stochastic retracing, MACD divergent, MACD is bearish, looking downwards. RSI is flat. Coming to 3. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, wait for it to give a breakout. Any move beyond 2420, 2430 zone is where the bulls are waiting. That is, it needs to, the lower price needs to stay above 2420, 2430 zone. Then only you can treat this as bullish. Also look at the movement here, rise, and then the retracement, rise, and then the slight retracement. Though the 20-period moving average right now sitting at around 2390. Stochastic has dropped, trying to look upwards. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with slight divergence, slight bearishness, not completely bearish because the divergence is very minimal. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to the 4. Look at 4-hour charts, couple of retracement candles, lower highs, higher lows. It needs to break. If you see the lower prices, higher price below 2410, one can initiate a selling position. One can expect it to drop towards 24, 2395, stronger support, then 2380, the next support, and then 2360 levels. Only below 2360 we can say that silver is turning bearish. It is a definitely very good support. Stochastic retracing, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI very near to the overbought zone. Coming to the day, look at daily charts. See preceding candle, higher highs and lower lows. Swing candle here, the spread is towards 2355 to 2430 levels. Median is almost at around 2390, $24 levels. So this is where the support levels will be seen only and only if silver breaks on the downside below 2390, $24 levels. You can say now it will get a pull towards 2370, 60 zone, which is definitely going to prove out to be a greater support. Moving averages are divergent and bullish have crossed over, but the prices are also divergent from the moving average. Now, if you see the movement, yes, on silver, we have seen it double bottom, rise, then retracement, rise. Now, possibly this is the time for silver to start retracing. How far it could retrace towards 2340 zone in near term, means few trading sessions from now. So this is going to be a critical resistance on the upside for silver. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to overbought. Considering this, a buying entry at around 2320, 2330 zone can be taken. This is going to be the resistance zone. You can buy when the lower prices are staying above 2320, 2330 levels. 2430, 2420, 2420, 2430 levels. Beyond this, we can look forward to 2450, and if it breaks beyond 2450, stay bullish for 2475 plus levels. On the downside, a selling entry is recommended only and only if you see silver staying below 2410, but then below 2410 also you should be cautious at around 2395, $24 levels, first support levels, then 2380 the next support, and below 2380 is where slight bearishness can be observed towards 2360 levels and so on, but I do not expect it to break thus far towards 2360-50 zone. So take your positions accordingly, sell with a caution and buy with caution as well. Take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do watch the next update before the Asia and Europe session very early in the day. Do watch that as well, and do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.